Assalamualaikum and hi. Today I would like to present about design elements of augmented reality for ZapWorks workshop. This is my presenter profile. My name is Miss Fasehah Binti Abdullah, Senior Lecturer and PhD Candidate at Faculty Art and Design FAD at Southern University College JB. Introduction for the augmented reality. This study stress about the basic design elements provided in the ZapWorks platform, or we call it as a ZapWorks website, especially for the beginners with no experience creating in the augmented reality projects. This workshop especially utilize ZapWorks because no application, no downloads, and no scripting are required. According to Abdullah 2021, mobile augmented reality (MR) is growing in popularity and is rapidly becoming ongoing phenomenon. For this literature review, covered 3 sections: augmented reality, design elements, and ZapWorks website. The term augmented reality (OAR) is one of the up-and-coming technologies that enables real-time interaction as well as the coexistence of physical objects and computer-generated ones. This MQA, the current MQA program standard of art and design, Faculty Art and Design, highlighted student or user can be interact with both the virtual and real worlds in the real time owing to a technology called augmented reality. The classroom and instructional materials have been enhanced with augmented reality and virtual reality headset consoles. This is picture during the ZapWorks workshop, and then I will discuss about the design elements in the ZapWorks. They have 5 design elements. It's mean like first is text typography, 2 buttons with the hyperlink, 3 images or picture, 4 video, and final 5 is a 3D models. So this one is the interface of the website, and then they have the set free trial, and they can have a boot demo, and they have the premium section. Okay, for the first basic design elements is the text or typography. We can see here they have drag and drop text. So beginners, educators, or students can directly use the existing text or typography and then just drag in here in the what we call, this one is the section that the designer can create a design. The text typography that have served both a sending message and providing information in details. Second, they provided the button, or we call it as hyperlinks. The button on the multimedia design may contain hyperlinks that take a user to others' website or hypermedia, such as you can see here, have a YouTube, and they have the Facebook, have the TikTok, and then have others. Social media can be directly interact with the personal user account. Number 3, they have provided the images or picture. We can see here, we can download it and then upload it in here. The design may be imported directly from the Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or other design tools, as long can save as JPEG and PNG file with high resolution. We can see here the designer can upload their design and then directly to drag and drop in this area. Then we have video. Video, basically for the designer, will create the design in the Adobe Premiere, After Effects, and several video editing application and can edit the video. After that, save as MP4 with the resolution, high resolution. We can see here a few number of the existing video can be directly dragged in here and then play and pause using the selection that be given here, this area. Lastly, 3D models. We can see here, this one is from the previous ZapWorks workshop that students and the lecturer design the character. This here can mention that most respondents use Maya software. Currently, all the IPTA use the Maya software, which requires them to download a plugin, additional plugin. And then 3D models support only limited numbers like GLTF and GLB formats. while user for the Blender can directly export drag and files into ZapWorks because they have GLTF and GLB. So you can see here we can include the 3D modeling, and then they have a few selection in this area. We can see here this function can be easily to access, especially for the beginners. Here, this one is the video previously during the National Training Week, especially conducted by me, Miss Fasehah, to show and then give the awareness to the lecturer and the students about the ZapWorks workshop. Okay, this is my certification and you can cite okay, about the argument. And you want to continue master PhD cert? We can see in the classroom, student and lecturer can be interact with each other, and then the 3D modeling and then the design also can be interact with the real environment and then with the 3D modeling design. It's quite fun, and then this one is a new technology, and then hopefully can be implemented into the not only faculty of design, maybe for the others faculty too, and then the lecturer can create their own design. Next, qualitative data analysis. I'm using NVivo as the instrument. The research methodology utilized qualitative analysis with a sample of 6 respondents from Southern University College in Johor Bahru, which including the instructor, educators and students. NVivo instruments were appropriate for the investigation to examine the quotes notes such as acceptable, engaging for the future and simple and easy. You can see here this one generated by NVivo. First is acceptable. You can see here from the respondent, 6 respondents mentioned can be accept. All the respondents give the good response that acceptable about the ZapWorks tools or platform or website to create their first augmented reality. Without coding, without programming knowledge, this one is quite easy, just only drag and drop. And then most of them mentioned that interesting to use for feature usage. So you can see here for the respondent 1 and 2 and 6. So most of them interesting to use for the explore for the future usage, and therefore future continue relevant to time, and we keep continue for the AR tool. Yes, this one is quite interesting, and then especially for the art and design courses. Lastly, they mentioned it's simple and easy. Most of the respondents had an encouraging awareness of the simple and easy to use drag and drop features in the ZapWorks tools. So we can see here most of them mentioned ZapWorks workshop show us without coding knowledge we can simply develop AR design. So basically we are for the faculty of design, we don't learn too many coding parts. So this one is quite easily not only for the graphic design student but advertising student, and then the industry design student also can learn using this AR augmented reality using ZapWorks website. As for the conclusion, the outcome obtained from the ZapWorks workshop can be beneficial for educators and students in the Faculty of Art Design. This demonstration ZapWorks can provide educators with ability to start incorporating augmented reality AR experience into their educational programs and lesson and plan in simple and easy approach. Thank you. Maybe we will continue for the next research. Thank you.